Hi students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are discussing about class 9th assignment number 12. Okay, topic is work power energy. The first question is, a man does 200 joules of work in 10 seconds and a boy does 100 joules work in 4 seconds. So who is delivering more power? Who is delivering more power? So here first one is 200 joules, that is man. So in 10 seconds, time is equal to 10 seconds. Time is equal to 10 seconds. Here work. Already we know that power is equal to work by time, that is equal to 200 by time, that is equal to 20 watts power. And next one, boy, power is equal to 100 joules, this is power, and time is equal to 4 seconds. Time is equal to 4 seconds. So here power is equal to work by time, that is equal to 100 by 4. 100 by 4, that is equal to 25 watts. So here the man having power, that is 20 watts, boy having power 25. So more delivering power. More delivering power means boy has more delivering power. The option is second option. Okay. And next question. An energy of 4 kilojoules. So here energy is equal to 4 kilojoules. So that is equal to 4 into 10 cube joules. An energy 4 into 10 cube joules. And next one, displacement is, so here S is equal to 64 meters, okay, of in 2.5 seconds. T is equal to 2.5 seconds. What is the power delivered is? So here already we know that power is equal to work by time, work in the form of energy. So energy by time. So here no use of displacement. So that is equal to, what is energy? 4 into 10 cube by 4 into 10 cube by 2.5. 2.5. That is equal to 4 into 10 power 4 by 25. That is 2.5, 25 by 10, that is 10 power 4. So finally we will get answer, that is equal to 1600 watts. 1600 watts. Third option. Okay. This is the second question. And third question, a power of water pump is 2 kilowatts. So here power is given, power is equal to 2 kilowatts. 2 kilowatts is nothing but 2 into 10 cube watts. Okay, power of what is the amount of water it can rise in 1 minute, and height is equal to 10 meter. So here 1 minute time. So T is equal to 1 minute, that is equal to 60 seconds. That is equal to 60 seconds. And height is equal to, H is equal to, that is equal to 10 meters. Okay, already we know that power is equal to work by time. Here is equal to, work is the form of here potential energy, that is equal to mg H by T. So that is equal power. Power is equal to mg H by T. We need to find out m. So m is equal to power into T by G into H. Here G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Already is given value. So m is equal to power, that is equal to 2 into 10 cube into T, 60 minutes by 10 into H. H is equal to 10. Okay. So 10 square gets cancelled. So m is equal to Okay, so here 10 cube gets cancelled. So m is equal to 1200 kg. 1200 kg. So the correct option is fourth option. Correct option is fourth option. And next question. An engine develops 10 kilowatts power. 10 kilowatts power. How much time will take to lift a mass of 200 kg of height 40 meters? So how much time? So already we know that here the value is, the given value, power is equal to 10 kilowatts, that is equal to 10 into 10 cube watts, and next one mass is equal to given, that is equal to 200 kg, and height is given, height h is equal to 40 meters. So already we know that power is equal to work by time. Here the work in the form of potential energy, that is equal to mgh by time. We need to find out here T value. So T is equal to mgh by power. So here m is equal to so T is equal to, what is m value? 200 into g value. G is already given, that is 10 meter per second square. So 10 into h, that is equal to 40 by p. Power is equal to, that is equal to power here 10. So 10 into 10 cube. Okay, here 10, here 10, here 10 gets cancelled. So here 0 gets cancelled. So T is equal to, so finally we will get T is equal to 8 seconds. 8 seconds. So the correct option is 3. Okay, thank you very much.